Now, if you want to customize any specific color on your website, all you have to do is go to Website Styles. And here under Colors, you can see all of the colors that are currently used on your website. So if for some reason you want to change one of these colors, like for example this one right here, we can just click on Change, then Select, and then we can adjust it right here. Once we click on Select, the color will be changed. We can also go to Fonts, and here we can see the current fonts we're using. So right now it's Roboto for the headings and Lato for the paragraphs. If we want to change that, we can just click on Edit Text Styles, and then here we can choose another font. But be careful when choosing fonts, because sometimes when you change the font, some text elements become misaligned. So in case you change the font right here, make sure to go through all of your website pages and make sure that all of your text elements are aligned correctly. Now let's go back to Website Styles, and then let's click on Buttons. Here we can change the button style that will be used across your website. And under Animations, we can change how the content will appear once a new site is loaded on your website.